Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we install app in our Samsung phone device. When you want to install guys any app in your Samsung phone device, so how can you install today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, which app guys you want to install guys, select. So I will select guys this my plate app guys. I will press here, and once you can see guys this app info guys, first of all tap here. So once you can see about this app data guys, so once you can see guys open, force stop and install. I will tap here to install. After install guys, you can see this notification, do you want to install this app? Yes. So answer to after install guys, we cannot use get this app guys, and guys you want to use, so you will have to again download it. So like the guy, we can install app in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to install app in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.